Well, Kevin and I did go shopping today at the Safeway to save on red hot deals. We were prepared, we were diligent, and we were aware. However, the store tried to tilt the savings and the bargains in their favor. You've got to pay attention. They overcharged us $19, even with the savings. So we got a refund. Called them out for it, and we saved a total of 66% on our grocery bill. Come along, let me show you how we did that. No apologies. You do you, boo. Okay, so we're at the Safeway, getting all of our bargains. And there's Jonathan right there, our weekly guy. And today is senior discount day, so we'll get an additional 10% off. And I ended up getting 10 pounds of chicken breast because we're gonna make dog food for Koji with sweet potato and rice. So welcome back to another video today about savings, shopping, and being frugal. Now, Kevin and I are very diligent and we're very aware of the couponing that we do at the supermarket to get the best possible deals. But you still have to watch everything. As diligently as we were, after we paid, again, we paid for our groceries, which I'm going to show you here, $47.64. And it showed that we saved $35.86. So we get our groceries, and here's what we bought. We got the 2 milks for $1.25 each, which is $2.50 for a gallon of milk. Okay? Then we bought the Roma tomatoes at 67 cents a pound. However, this is where, how do I say it? This is where retailers are not your friend, especially when it comes to senior citizens who are trying to shop and save money, because they don't make it easy. Now on their ad, which I've got right here, it says Roma tomatoes are 67 cents a pound. Okay? So I'm in the vegetable department and I'm looking for 67 cents, nothing to be seen. Now I do see Roma tomatoes that says $1.37 on sale for 99 cents a pound. And I'm like, well, where's the tomatoes for 67 cents a pound? And so I go ask the guy in the vegetable department, where are the Roma tomatoes that are on sale for the red hot deal at 67 cents a pound? He says, oh, they're over there. And I said, well, over there says 99 cents a pound. He said, oh yeah, those are the ones that are 67 cents a pound if you click the digital coupon. I said, well, I did click it, but I'm still wondering where the tomatoes are for 67 cents. I don't want to buy the ones that says 99 cents if that's not the 67 cents. You follow? Logic tells me it should say 67 cents red hot deal, but it doesn't. This is where they get you, really. If you don't do the digital deals, if you don't look at the coupon savings, you're thinking this tomato at 99 cents is going to be a great buy. But because I do digital shopping to do the red hot deals, which are lost leaders to get you in the door, I'm looking for the 67 cent tomato a pound. Oh yes, these are it. So see, they don't have it advertised at 67 cents. Most consumers are thinking 99 cents, $1.47 normally a pound, 99 cents a pound, I'm gonna buy them. And you can still save 30 cents more a pound if you do the digital deals. I hope that didn't get blown or didn't belong, but we want to make sure these were 67 cents a pound. I wasn't going to throw them in my cart if they were 99 cents a pound. I'll tell you why in a moment. That's important. So we did buy also 2 sweet potatoes because I'm going to put these in my food processor to shred them because these will go into Koji's dog food that we're going to make with the next purchase we bought, which is the chicken breast at $1.99 a pound at the butcher counter. All right, so we got 10 pounds at $1.99. And I will put these in the crock pot, blah, 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 cook them down, add sweet potato and rice, and I've got a big supply of dog food for Koji. Instead of buying him that expensive, dry stuff he has to crunch. So, we got the chicken. So making sure that you watch everything, we then decided we would get the beef that's on sale for $2.97 a pound. You get 6 pounds total. So here it says that's normally $6.99 a pound, on sale for $2.97. So yeah, let's get it. And it's just 2.995, just under 3 pounds. So the next pack is 3.11 pound, just about 10% over the 6 pound limit. No problem, we're told. And it was $6.49 a pound. Okay, one's at $6.99 a pound, and one's at $6.49 a pound, and both of them are 80% lean, but this one says 85% lean, and I guess that's why you're going to pay more for it. Anyhow, they didn't have any on the shelf, so the butcher comes and brings us these. Okay, thank you. We go to checkout. So the checkouts get out, and Kevin says, Jeff, check that receipt. It seems a little high, so I did. Here's where they get you again. I won't get into all the dirty details, but they charged us for 3 pounds, 2.995 pounds, they charged us $20.94 for this, which was the $6.99 a pound. It's supposed to be on sale for $2.97. So it's $4.02 more a pound. Now they gave us our senior discount, which took off $1.91. But still, we paid $20 for this pack. For this pack, we paid $8 total. $8, $20. So we have been charged $19.03 too much. So we go back in, Jonathan, who you saw in the video here, I said, Jonathan, there's something wrong here. And I showed it to him. He says, well, that's strange. I don't know why it didn't come off. I said, I don't either, but here we are. So he walks over to customer service counter with me so we can get an adjustment. The guy at the customer service counter says, well, the reason why is because this one at 80% is the one that's for sale. This one at 85% is not the one for sale. I said, okay. Well, when that counter was empty, the butcher said, here you go, and he brought these out to me. So you need to go have a conversation with the butcher. And then I just look at it. See how they get you? You have to be ever so diligent. This one says 85% lean, signature family pack, and this one says 80% lean, signature brand, no family pack. You've got to watch everything. So, we spent $47.64 total. We saved $35.86 total. After they refunded me $19.03, it means that I paid for this pack, because he just didn't feel like rereading it, I guess. I paid for this pack of beef, 3 pounds, $1.91. That's what I paid. Because customer service went ahead and credited me $19.03 back on my credit card, which means we saved a total, or we spent a total of $28.61 total cost for everything that we have here. $28 for all of this. And our savings was $43.34. So we saved $43 and we spent $28. Had we not looked at that, we would have spent $20 more than we should have. Now, the point of this story is this. Your $20 savings really isn't $20 in today's market because of inflation. The dollar's down about 9 cents a dollar. So let's take $2 off. So you're looking at, take 10 cents off, you're really at 90 cents. So, you know, $1.80, 20. So you really only got $17 of your $20 savings. Does that make sense? I don't want to get into cuckoo. Anyhow, so you're not saving what we think anyhow because inflation is so high. But check your receipts, please. Check your receipts. This $20.83 pack of beef. We should not have paid $20. So they took $19 off and we spent $1.91. Total savings again, $43. Total spent, $28. That's a savings, folks. So check your receipts, be diligent, happy shopping, come along for more exciting ways to save money. And I can't emphasize it enough. Please, please, please pay attention to your receipts. How much was that? Let's take a look. We saved 66% on all this food. Can you save 66%? Keep watching my videos, come along, and we'll get it all worked out together. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. It sends it through YouTube algorithms so that more people will see it. The more people that like it, YouTube says, oh, people like this video, let's show it to this one. This one likes it, and they say, oh, more people like it, let's show it over here. That's why it's important to give it a thumbs up, so please do. And if you're so inclined to subscribe, come along. If you're so inclined to stay with me, thanks. Okay, ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.